Hi, special thanks to Dean Trammell for suggesting this next tech topic of the day. So today we're going to cover and review some of the different features that you have to better organize your Gmail account. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to walk you through some of the features that I already have turned on, and then from there I'll walk you through exactly how to turn those features on within your Gmail account. So the first one I want to walk you through that I have turned on is what's called Priority Inbox. So right now I have my priority inbox where anything unread that comes in, any unread emails will sit at the top and I'll always see that as the first thing within my Gmail account. The next section is anything that I have that's starred. So anything that I have that I put a star on will show up in this next section. So I use that for things that are important, things I want to get back to, things I haven't had a chance to get to or read yet, but I want to make sure that I have quick and easy access to. The other one is the fact that you can actually change these stars and actually make them different colors. You can actually add in symbols, things like that. So for me, I know that the stars are things that are important that I probably need to look at, maybe come back to. The question mark are things I want to respond to people on. If I have anything that's just information that maybe I want to give out or disseminate maybe later. And then I have an exclamation point, which is something that is urgent, something important that I definitely want to get back to. So those are different features that I have within there, which is great. The next one I'm going to walk you through is the fact that I have what's turned on what's called the preview pane. The preview pane is great, and I love this feature within Gmail because I can click on an email and I can see the email here, the full email that I had come in, and then scroll through and then see what other emails I have coming up next, but always seeing all my emails over here as well as being able to read the one that I have just open here. So if I'm looking for an email but want to read through this one while looking for another one, I can still do that as well. The next feature I'm going to walk you through and show you how to enable is the undo send button. So undo send is a great feature. I actually use it quite a bit. And here's how you do that. So let me just compose an email. And let me just write an email to Mr. Schrammel and say, thanks for the video idea. And I go to send it off to Dean Schrammel, and then you will see that my message has been sent. Now I have 30 seconds to go ahead and hit undo the message. And now I undo that message. I realize I want to put something else in there, maybe say put a PS in there or anything like that. And that allows me to unsend, and then the email actually shows up within my drafts so that it will be saved. I can come back to it later if I actually need to. So the next question you're all going to have is how do I turn this stuff on? Where do I find these features within my Gmail account? Well, the first thing you're going to do is you want to go up into your settings on the top right side over here. And then within settings, the first one we're going to do is we're going to go into labs. What we're going to do is we are going to scroll down and we are going to turn on the preview pane. Click on enable up here. You see mine is already enabled. And then you can scroll down. You can take a look at some of these other labs that are there. Some I have turned on, some I don't. Play around with them, see if you like them or not. And then once you enable that, make sure you click on Save Changes. So that's the first thing that we're going to do. The next thing that we are going to do is we are going to go into General up here at the top. And now if I scroll down within General, you're going to make sure you click on Undo Send, Enable, Undo Send, and then you have that cancellation period. So some people have said at 5 seconds, 10 seconds. I give myself 30 seconds. I give myself 30 seconds to realize I made a mistake and then go ahead and undo that. Now after 30 seconds, there is no way to retrieve those emails through Gmail. The next thing right here is the star feature that I showed you. I'm able to change those stars, change the priority, things like that. So right here, if I want to, let's say I don't want like the yellow star, I want to take that out. It's as simple as drag and drop, and then I can put up a red star, maybe saying that red stars are the important things that I want to get back to. As far as putting things in and out, again, I can take this, add that up here, bring it back down, take a check mark, put it up here. Again, simple as putting it up and dragging it back down. Now, any changes that I make, again, I need to make sure I go down and I click on Save Changes. So now I'm back to my screen, but I haven't enabled everything as far as my priority inbox. So as far as your priority inbox, in order to go back and do that, let's go back into our settings now. And you want to click on Inbox. Now yours might be set to either default, where it maybe looks like this, or it might be set to important first, where everything that you label as important will come at the top, and then everything else is next. In order to do the priority inbox, again, you want to scroll down to right here, priority inbox. And then you can organize it as you see fit. So if I click on options, I can put my unread first, I can put my starred first, I can put different labels first, important and unread, however you want to do it. I like it for myself, having unread at the top, starred. I always like to leave one empty section in case I'm working on a big project and I want to kind of filter emails that are coming in about that event into a separate category. And then again, everything else at the bottom for myself. So again, now that I'm done, I click on Save Changes, and I should have all of these things enabled. So you can see I have my stars enabled, so I can have different colors and everything like that on there, which is great. The next thing is you may, if you turned on Preview Pane, you may not be seeing it as the Preview Pane. You may not be seeing it as this right now, which is probably going to bother you. So check up here, and this button up here allows you to toggle back and forth. So if this is how you had your email before, this is probably how it's still showing up. So make sure that you go ahead and you click right here, toggle split pane mode, and then you should be good to go. Any other questions, go ahead and shoot me an email or come by and see me, or go ahead and see Dean Schrammel. He is also a Gmail connoisseur. Thank you.